Assalamu alaikum and good morning my dear children. How are you? Hope all are fine and safe. Okay? Let us start our class today. We have a new topic. But we don't want this class. Shall we go outside? See, what is this? Look at here. What a beautiful, right? Beautiful nature. These are nature. This is our new topic, nature. നമ്മുടെ പ്രകൃതി ഭംഗി. Very beautiful, no? See, look at here. See in that light we can see everything. What is nature? This is our nature, beautiful nature, physical beauty of our nature. Okay, that includes everything: animals, birds, plants, everything. We can see one by one. Okay, see here, we can see everything. Why we can see everything? Because here full of light, right? Because of the light we can see everything. But what gives us light? What gives us light? Yes, we know. The sun gives us light. See, sun gives us light. Not only light. Sometimes we feel hot, no, very hot. What gives us hot? Heat. Sun, that also sun. Sun gives us light and heat. What gives us? Yes, sun gives us light and heat. Look at the sun. But never look directly to the sun. It can harm our eyes. Okay? Never look directly to the sun. Okay? If there is no sun, what will happen? If there is no sun, what will happen? Full of darkness. We can't see anything. Right? So, sun gives us what? Light and heat. Sun comes in the morning. Right? Sun comes in the morning and goes in the evening. Sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east in the morning, right? Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Okay? Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Okay, early morning we can see, yes, sun comes in the morning and sets in the evening in the west. Okay, so we saw sun, the sun, only one sun, know that, round in shape, but sun is very far from us, very far from us. So it looks very small but a big fireball. Okay, sun is over. After sunset, who will come in the sky? Who will come in the sky after the sunset? Look at here, very beautiful scene, no? What is this? Ambili Ammavan, right? Ambili. I know one song. Ambili Ammava Tamar Kumbililendunde. Ambili Ammava Tamar Kumbililendunde. Kumbitiripano Manate Kumbanana Purathe. Kumbitiripano Manate Kumbanana Purathe. Ambili Ammava Tamar Kumbililendunde. Kumbitiripano Manate Kumbanana Purathe. Very beautiful, no? Yes, that is Ambili. After sunset, what will come in the sky? Moon. The moon. What will come in the sky? The moon. Very beautiful scene, right? Yes, after sunset it will be dark and no light, no. So we can see moon in the sky. But what is the shape of the moon, you know? Is it round? Is it circle? Is it half of the circle? Or this like? Yes, we can see moon in different shapes. Moon changes its shape in every day. Some days it will be round shape. Look at here, round. Sometimes crescent shape. Okay, it's very beautiful, right? Okay, sun and moon we can see in the sky. Then any other thing we can see in the sky during the night. After sunset it will be dark and that is night. Okay, I forgot to say that is night. Okay, anything twinkling like twinkling? What is it? Yes, look at here, many of them, right? Stars. Twinkle stars. We know one song. We can sing that together, okay? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Like a diamond. So very beautiful scene. No? How many stars are here? Can you count it? 1, 2, 3, like that you can count? No, we can't count them. Because many are there. Many are there. Okay, like sun and moon, stars also very far from us. Very far from us. That's why it looks very small. That's why it looks very small. Okay? Now we saw sun, moon and stars in the sky. Can you tell me any other thing we can see in the sky? Okay children, what are these? Clouds. Clouds. What is clouds? Do you know what is clouds? See, two different colors clouds we can see here. One is dark clouds, another is one silver color clouds also there, right? Yes, how it forms? Do you know how it forms? That is very tiny water drops collected together, group that form in the air. That is clouds. What is clouds? Tiny water drops grouped together, collected together, that forms in the air. That is clouds. Okay, see that dark clouds bring us rain. Bring us rain. Rain. That who gives? What gives us rain? Yes, from the clouds we get rain. Okay. That clouds also over. Next, another thing we can see in the sky, that is, can you tell me? After the heavy rain, അതിന് ശേഷം heavy rain ശേഷം that sunlight comes, no? The sunlight will come. That time we can see something in the sky like a bow. What is it? Look at here. Yes, after the heavy rain, that sunlight also comes. That time forms Sometimes, okay, not always, sometimes. What is it? Yes, that all colors join together. That is like a bow we can see in the sky. That is rainbow. What is it? Rainbow. We already learned that how many colors. What are the colors? Huh? How many colors we can see in the rainbow? How many colors? Huh? How many colors are there in a rainbow? How many colors are there in a rainbow? How many colors are there in a rainbow? How many colors we see? How many colors? 7 lovely colors are there in a rainbow. 7 lovely colors are there in a rainbow. 7 lovely colors are there in a rainbow. 7 lovely colors we see. What are the colors? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. What are they? Violet, indigo, blue and green. Violet, indigo, blue and green. Yellow, orange and red. Yellow, orange and red. How many colors we can see in the rainbow? 7 colors. 7 lovely colors we can see were in the sky. One more thing I want to show to you. During the heavy rain, we will hear something, we can see something. That time we will very afraid. What is that? Anybody tell? Anybody guess? Yes, we know one song. What is it? In the English chapter, anyone letter we learned that. I hear thunder, I hear thunder, oh don't you, pitter-patter raindrops, pitter-patter raindrops, I'm wet through, I'm wet through. Yes, thunder, and thunder is the sound, no? Idi. Then one more is there. What is it? Lightning. Minnal, lightning, thunder and lightning coming together from the sky. Children, lightning and thunder coming together from the sky. But we see the lightning first. After that, we hear the thunder. First we say lightning. After that, thunder. Okay? Okay, now we saw many things that in the sky, right? Everything in the sky, right? Okay, but that is our beautiful nature, some of them. This is not finished. We can see many other things, but I have no time. That I will bring the next week. Today we learn something that I am going to bring on the board. Okay? What is the first one? Yes, sun. Sun gives us what? Heat and light. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Then after the sun goes, after the sunset, the next one will come in the sky. What is it? Moon. The moon. Okay? Then moon changes its shapes every day, right? Okay. Then next, that twinkling, what is it? Stars. Stars. After that, we get rain from there. What is it? Clouds. Clouds. Then next one, Yes, 7 lovely colors. We can see we sung one song. No, what is it? Rainbow. Rainbow. Then after that, during the heavy rain, we saw the sound and light. No, what is it? Lightning. Lightning and thunder. Lightning only in our textbook. Okay? Okay, children. Next time, next week, I will come. I will bring some more things to the class related to nature. Beautiful nature. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.